would urge the chair to take the necessary action against Mr. Sanjay Singh. The government wishes to move a motion for the suspension of Mr. Sanjay Singh for the remainder period of the House.
Shri Sanjay Singh is suspended for the entire duration of this session for having repeatedly violated directive of the chair. If the House approves it,